Hello. In addition to Iridology, the next science, which is complementary and also very important, is the science of sclerology. Sclerology. In other words, the study of the sclera. The sclera is a white part of the eye. You've got the iris in the middle, you've got a pupil in the middle of the iris, then you've got the pupil, and then you've got outside, embedding into the pupil, from the pupil in the sclera, which is the whites of the eyes. Now, this is also a fascinating art, and it's a science of sclerology. So I'm going to show you a photograph I took of a patient, and you will see some amazing features where I'm the only one in the world that takes photos looking down, sideways, and so on. And I've developed that over the last 40 odd years, right? So in this picture, I'm going to give you some amazing features. So when you look at someone looking down, you can see information that you can't get in just a straight shot of the iris. In other words, here I've taken a shot of someone looking down, and we're going to just quickly point the key features here. You'll notice the capillaries here are quite pronounced, and you'll notice here at the end of this capillary, there's quite a dark patch. It means that the capillary is broken. Now you won't see that with the naked eye, but you'll see it with a photograph, with a vivid photograph. That means that the capillary is broken and blood is spilt into the actual sclera. And it also means that there's blood pressure into the actual capillaries themselves. It also means that that person's immune system is definitely down, and they are in very dire need of extra vitamin C complex, right? So you see that. You will also see it on the side here, where the capillaries are quite heavy and thick, and same here. In addition to that, you'll see that spot here. Now, this is the liver. This is a marking of the liver, that the liver is upset, because that's the right eye. That's the liver's upset, and that marks itself as a very dark mark. In addition to that, you'll see that upper arcus, that grey upper arcus. It means that that person is starting to get memory loss, maybe even dementia. It's also a precursor to the indication of Alzheimer's. So when we see that, we have to take very strong action in repairing the body's immune system, repairing the body's ability to think and recreate or improve the cognitive function of that person or that patient. So supplements play a big part, but food combination also play a big part. Exercise, emotional clearance, all have to do with fixing these problems we see in this photo demonstrating sclerology. Thank you for listening.